it's Grace from Gear, and today's video is on our new USB-C HDMI AV kit. So first of all, what is an AV kit? It's an all-in-one solution that allows you to connect from your PC to a chosen display device in a variety of environments, whether it's in a boardroom, a classroom, office space, live event, or even at home. It provides full interactive audio and visual functionality to any device. Now, a little bit of technical background before we continue. This kit is USB-C 3.2 specified and provides up to 10 gigabits of data per second. The HDMI is optimised for 8K at 60 Hz performance, but please note your equipment must be up to USB-C 3.2 specification in order for this to work. Let's get into what's in the box, but first of all, please note that this kit comes with all front and back end cabling for a complete end-to-end solution, unlike our standard kits which only come with back end cables. This is to ensure the kit works at full functionality. So we first of all have our single back box. We then have our 2-meter front end cables, a USB C to C cable and a HDMI male-to-male cable. We then have our faceplate, module and combined back end cables. The reason why the modules and the back end cables are combined is to eliminate breakages so you don't get signal interference and loss. So these kit comes in both 3 and 5 meters, which refers to the length of the module. So the 3-meter kit will have 3-meter modules with 2-meter front end cables. So end to end it will become 5 meters. The 5-meter kit has 5-meter modules with 2-meter front end cables. So end to end it will become 7 meters. Please note for this kit, if your device has DP enabled, you will be able to use the Type C for all functions. So that's audio, visual and the interactive features. However, if your device does not have DP enabled, the Type C will do the interactive features and the HDMI will do both audio and visual features. All of our AV kits are made with longevity and easy install in mind through these simple things. All back boxes and faceplates are made with stronger plastic to enhance durability and eliminate breakages. All of our modules are snap-in, so they can easily be snapped in and out of the faceplate when necessary. The back of the faceplate features elongated retention clips and screws which make it harder to pull the modules out. The screws also are glued in, which makes it harder for them to be unscrewed. The back box has an extra 13 millimeters of depth, so it's 45 millimeters in total, unlike standard 32 millimeter back boxes. This gives the installer just that little bit of extra room to maneuver the cables in the back of the kit. All packed into a nice little box, which makes it easy for installers to carry when they're on site. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow us on LinkedIn for more educational content and unboxing videos.